Grateful for today. Give thanks for the sunlight rise. Another blessing open up me eyes. Every little step of the journey long, but me keep treading on, me spirit strong. Love trials come but me still stand tall, cause every stumble teach me not to fall. Today is a gift, tomorrow a plan. Jah guide the heart of a humble man. Grateful for today, still reaching for tomorrow. Even when the road gets rough and full of sorrow, hold the faith, me brother, hold the faith, me sister. Success comes slow like a true roots rasta. Give thanks for the no, keep climbing higher. Every new dawn light the soul with fire. Every mountain climb start with one small pace. No random life move steady with grace. Enough storm pass but me never resign, cause Jah put a warrior heartbeat in a me mind. Me learn from the pain, me rise from the fall. Every lesson shape me, big and small. Tomorrow ahead, me nah lose sight, cause hope are the candle in a darkest night. Grateful for today, still reaching for tomorrow. Even when the road gets rough and full of sorrow, hold the faith, me brother, hold the faith, me sister. Success comes slow like a true roots rasta. Give thanks for the now, keep climbing higher. Every new dawn light the soul with fire. Step by step we climb the ladder. No matter how hard we getting stronger. Give thanks for the blessings, big or small. Give thanks for the rise when the doubts fall. Hold on to your dreams, protect your mind. Positive meditation every time. Me no worry about the past when me can't fix again. Me focus on the future and the blessings them. Life teach me patience, life teach me love. Life teach me guidance from the most high above. So me walk with pride, me walk with peace, knowing every hardship soon I go cease. One heart, one name, one destiny. Love and gratitude set the people free. Yeah, yeah. Grateful for today, still reaching for tomorrow. Even when the road get rough and full of sorrow, hold the faith, me brother, hold the faith, me sister. Success comes slow like a true roots rasta.